Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Dear respected viewers, I hope you are all well. Today we learn the chapter number 10 of Nurani Qaida. In this chapter, I taught you the letters of Qalqala. Qalqala means mute letters should be recited with an echoing or jerking sound. Qalqala means mute letters should be recited with an echoing or jerking sound. The letters of Qalqala are 5 ways. Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal, Qutbu, Jaddin. If the above letters have a jazm, then it will be read with an echoing sound. If these 5 letters Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal come at the end of the word and it has jazm and previous letters has any haraka, then it will be read with an echoing sound. Look at the board. Qalqala have 3 kinds. Qalqala have 3 kinds. Look at the board. Please keep down your notebook and keep penning. Look at the board. The letters of Qalqala are 5. Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. When we join these letters come two words Qutbu, Jaddin. Qutbu, Jaddin. And these letters have 3 kinds. First kinds of Qalqala is weak Qalqala. Weak Qalqala. Here you keep penning down because if these letters Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal come in the center of the word and have harakat, then we not made Qalqala. We only made Qalqala when these letters have jazm and previous letters have any harakat. And the first kind of Qalqala is weak Qalqala. Like Yaj'al, 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 Khalaqna, Khalaqna, Naq'an, Naq'an. Here keep penning down. If any letters of these 5 letters come in the center of the word and it has jazm and previous letters have harakat. Look these letters. Jim. Jim come in the center and it has jazm and previous letter has fatha. Qaf has jazm and qaf come in the center, not at the end, and previous letter has fatha. Then we made here weak Qalqala like Khalaqna, Khalaqna, Naq'an, Naq'an, Yaj'al, 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 Khalaqna, Khalaqna, Naq'an, Naq'an. And the second kinds of Qalqala is strong Qalqala. Look at the board. The second kind of Qalqala is strong Qalqala. Strong Qalqala. Strong Qalqala means if Qalqala letter Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal come at the end of the word. Come at the end of the word and it have harakat. Look this ayah. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. برب الفلق. Qaf has kasra. And when we pass here, then qaf made into jazm. Then we made here strong qalqala. Strong qalqala. If qalqala letter come at the end of the word and it have harakat, and when we stay here and pass in the waqf, then qalqala made strong qalqala. Look these verses of Quran. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل هو الله أحد. قل هو الله أحد. falaq ahad. Before made qalqala, the real letters qalqala of qaf has kasra. Falaqi ahadun. And when we made here pass, then the qalqala letters invert into jazm. And it come at the end. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل هو الله أحد. قل هو الله أحد. Look this ayat. لقد خلقنا الإنسان. Here you noted in your notebook, because if qalqala letters come in the word and it has any harakat, then we not made qalqala. Like laqad, qaf has fatha, we not made here qalqala. But dal has jazm, and dal is the qalqala letter. Then we made weak qalqala, like laqad, laqad, laqad. Next word khalaqna. Here qaf qalqala letter come at the center and it has jazm. Then we made weak qalqala. Laqad, laqad khalaqnal, laqad khalaqnal. And strong qalqala, if any letters of qalqala letters come at the end of the verses and it has any harakat, but when we make here pass, then we made strong qalqala, because when we stop here at the end of the ayah and there is a word of any qalqala and it has any harakat on it, then this harakat invert into jazm. Like قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل هو الله أحد. قل هو الله أحد. And the third kind of qalqala letters is strongest qalqala. Strongest qalqala. Strongest qalqala, if any letters of qalqala come at the end of the verses of Quran and it has tashdeed, like watabba. And when we pass here, then these tashdeed invert into jazm. Then we made here strongest qalqala, like تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. I hope you are all understand. If you understood this video, then I request you please like and share and subscribe my channel, and please give me comment. Now we read the chapter number 10 of Nurani Qaida. Please take out your Qaida and come on the page number 13. Look at the first line of page number 13. Hamza has fatha, next letter has jazm. We join these letters. Hamza has fatha, ba has jazm, ab. Hamza has kasra, ba has jazm, ib. Hamza has damha, ba has jazm, ub. Ab, ib, ub. Hamza has fatha, ta has jazm, at, it, ut. Hamza has fatha, ba has jazm, ab, ib, ub, at, it, ut, at, it, us. Hamza has fatha, jim has jazm, aj, ich, uch. We made here Qalqala because jim is the letter of Qalqala letters. Ah, ich, uch, ha. Ha come from the middle throat. Hamza has fatha, ha has jazm, ah, ich, uch. Hamza has fatha, ha has jazm, ha is a broad letter with broad sound. Broad sound mean remain sound in the mouth. Broad sound mean remain sound in the mouth. Oh, ich, uch, oh, ich, uch, oh, ich, uch. Ad, id, ud, ad, id, ud, as, is, us, or, ir, or, ir, or, as, is, us, ash, ish, ush, os, us, odd, ud, ot, it, ot, os, us. Hence you read at the end. I hope you are understand good. Then I request again, please like my video and share also, and please also subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.